Hello, my name is Joy. In this video, I will show how I turned a Christmas tree candle into a 3D model with photogrammetry in 3DF Zephyr, version 8.017, using 53 photos. I chose this project to practice the software and record my process. Run Zephyr, then select Workflow, then New Project to create a new workspace. Press Next, then click the red folder icon, and select the folder containing my photos. Press Next until you see the Run button, then press Run. I use the default options throughout this process, so I simply press Next. Once the sparse point cloud appeared, I selected Workflow, then Advanced, then Dense Point Cloud Generation. Again, press Next until you see the Run button, then press Run. This step added more geometry and filled in small gaps, giving me a much clearer point cloud. Press Finish when done. Next, I selected Workflow, then Advanced, then Mesh Extraction. Again, press Next until you see the Run button, then press Run. After the mesh was generated, press Finish when done. To remove unwanted areas, I opened the Editing tab and selected the Elliptic Selection tool. I outlined the candle, inverted the selection to target the background points, and deleted them. The candle was slightly tilted, so I selected Tools, then Workspace, then Scale, Rotate, Translate Objects. The cone shape on an axis moves the object in that direction. The circle rotates the object. The cube changes the size, but I did not need this option this time. I rotated the base to be flat on the XY plane. I still needed to remove the paper the candle was sitting on. Using the plane selection tool, I set the plane just above the paper, pressed the update button on the plane selection page, then inverted it and deleted it. After this, I saved the project. The base of the candle was hollow, so I selected Tools, then Mesh Filters, then Fill Holes Watertight. I cloned the mesh before applying the filter, so I could keep the original. The watertight version filled the hollow base and made it solid. Finally, I selected Workflow, then Advanced, then Generate and Export Enhanced Mesh. I chose the watertight mesh as the object, selected OBJ format, and saved it to my folder. Although the watertight option rounded the sawtooth pattern on the bottom, the result still looks good. Even the small imperfections on the candle surface were captured well. Overall, the final model matches my candle closely. The cleaning steps took longer than I expected, but I learned the full Zephyr workflow and how to prepare a clean, printable 3D model. Thank you for watching.